Homemade facial masks for skin low. It's just too easy for one to make anti-aging facial masks at home. There are two types of masks, a relaxing mask and a stimulating mask. These kinds of masks makes your skin glow and soothes it well. They promote the flow of blood in the skin. They also help fighting various kinds of scars. Green tea masks are very good for the skin too. Masks when applied should be put for 10 to 15 minutes, which is very good for the skin. After that, cleansing should be done and honey should be used upon it too. Before applying facial, you should open up your pores with a wet warm cloth, smear in honey, leave on 10 to 40 minutes and then rinse it off with some warm water, then use some cold water for closing up the pores. For oily skin, do use some milk magnesia, do rub it and let it dry and then rinse it with warm water. Best homemade F mask has used egg yolk. Apply raw yolk for some 30 minutes, rinse with some water. Apply and rinse in 15 minutes. Women use such masks since ancient times to enhance their beauty. Different fruits, vegetables also give good effect. You need to take a ripe apple and mash with fork, add a teaspoon of oatmeal and a teaspoon of honey into it, then apply on face and leave till mixture dries thoroughly, then rinse off with water. This is good for all kinds of skins. Or another thing that can be done is, take a tomato juice, some cucumber juice, some lemon juice and add calamine or flour into it. Then make paste of it and apply on skin. Then wash it off with warm water after it dries. It makes the skin glow and cleanses the skin too. Tomato also has agents of tone, so it also tones the pores of oily skin. Do dry some orange peels and some lemon peels to make powder. And then add some rose water to it, milk cream too, and then apply it on the skin. Wash it off with some water after it gets dried. There are various kinds of facials which make skin glow. Business management articles. One should be very regular and these should be applied in the right way and should be taken off in the right time, only then these will give very good soothing results. Please my channel subscribe.